Okay, I'm back, you guys. So I don't know what fully happened in the video, but anyway, I would just wanted to explain, you know, what I had in store for you guys. And this is 100% human hair. It's Brazilian, Malaysian, and Peruvian. So it's very good quality hair. Like I said before, if you want to check it out, check out the website. You can go to my Facebook at Stylist.N. The link is below. Yes, the link is below, and the rest is up to you. Check it out. See what kind of hair you like. And they also have a good sale going on, so you need to check that out. So that's about everything. Please remember to like and subscribe. Subscribe. Please subscribe. And that's it. I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye.